Speaking of Apple stores, this is a crazy unfolding happening here. And this is right now. Apparently the story is still developing. And I saw this. I'm looking on Twitter. There's an incident at an Apple store in Amsterdam, apparently. All kind of video clips emerging. You can play the clip, Will.
Volume or no?
No, we don't need volume.
Okay.
Apparently there's a hostage situation at the Apple store. And there's all types of cops
Oh my God, that guy's a guy.
on the scene. And he's like kicking the door. I don't know if he's wearing a vest.
He's holding a hostage.
Holy.
I don't know if he's wearing a vest as well because he looks kind of like bulked up in the front. He might have a vest on to make it tougher for the snipers or whatever.
Oh
I don't
my
know.
goodness.
I don't know why it's an Apple store, and I don't know if it's an Apple store employee or another patron or what. But
that guy's holding like a bag or something.
It seems like his arms are tied behind
there's
him.
other clips. You can see the street. Maybe scroll down.
Oh my God.
There's hopefully some other angles of this as well. Oh, maybe not in that exact post, but if you just do maybe just on Twitter here, go Amsterdam Apple Store, because you can see the assembly of all the cops and stuff on the street.
Right.
And they're all piling in, and I mean it's exactly like a movie what's going on over there.
But this is de-escalated now?
No, it's ongoing right now.
What?
It's right now. It's happening right now. It's a live show. This is ongoing news breaking. Ongoing robbery and apparent hostage situation unfolding at Apple's flagship retail store in Amsterdam. Like it's getting, here you go. Here's another video clip. This person's up a little higher. You can see a bunch of cops piled down there. They're all rolling in right now. And you'll see some of them, they sort of march towards. These ones are already set up, like behind those barricades.
Oh, they have cover. Oh,
they're
here comes a
moving in.
little fleet here.
So, I don't know. Maybe what happens is it was a botched robbery, and the authorities show up, and then the dude just grabs somebody.
Yeah.
And panics, and now he's trapped in the store. Yeah.
Holy moly.
Pretty crazy scenario unfolding at one of the high-profile Apple stores.
Whoa.
Wait, that's something else.
Anti-terrorist.
Oh, no. Whoa, these are connected? Possible storming of the Apple Store in Amsterdam where an unknown person is holding... Yeah.
Wait, so this is... How long has this been going on?
These posts
They're
are
just getting
within
ready.
the last hour.
The cops. Putting on their own vests.
Scroll down. Let's see the next one over here.
Oh, my God.
Ongoing. Comes shortly after reports of the armed robbery. Heavy police presence in the area. We'll update the thread below. Latest. 5 minutes ago. Let's see. In the midst of a hostage. It's still going on, man.
Wow. This is
It's still going on live. Well, we'll have to wait and see what ends up. Oh, shots fired. Shots fired.
No,
Shots fired.
That's insane.
Why are you laughing, Will? You can't be
The way
laughing.
that you said it. Come
You
on.
can't be laughing. Yeah, no, I mean, all seriousness, this is a terrifying situation. He appears to be using an SMG, which seems to be a possible Scorpion VZ61 Yugoslavian Serbian copy.
Wow.
Crazy. I don't know really what more we can tell you about it, but like, obviously keep an eye on it. We'll see what develops. The unusual part is that it's in an Apple store, but I guess an Apple store... See, that's the thing. What kind of robbery are you gonna run at an Apple store unless it's the products themselves? No one paying cash over there.
No.
So you're not getting cash.
And even the products, I feel like...
How many products can you fit into a bag or something? Maybe there's something else. You know, maybe the individual's a little off, a little bit off.
Maybe it's not a robbery at all.
Well, they said they were responding to a robbery.
Oh.
So somebody must have triggered the robbery button inside of the Apple store, I would guess.
Wow. This is intense.
We're often not covering a
Look at
story
that little girl. She's
happening
hiding behind.
in real time.
Really...
I'm feeling a little more frantic than usual because
this is live on live.
It's happening. It's a double live.
Yeah.
It's a double live. We're doing a live news right now.
Are we?
I
didn't know about that.
I think that's what this might be. It's a live broadcast on the live news.
Okay.
And we're on Twitter, and stuff is happening. But
oh my God.
You know what? Hopefully everything gets resolved.
Yeah, of course.
And
no one gets hurt. No one
Yeah,
dies.
I really hope those shots fired was just a scare tactic or something.
Well, the shots fired might have been from the police. They may got an open shot on him.
Could be, yeah.
They may got an open shot where he left himself vulnerable.
Mm-hmm.
You don't know. But he's got an SMG, though? I don't even think those cops that showed up had an SMG yet.
I don't think so.
Those initial responders, they were dealing with handguns.
Yeah, they do. They don't seem fully equipped, the police officers.
To deal with an SMG.
Yeah,
No, you got to, the next group, they take a little longer.
right. Yeah, I'm picturing the guys with the SWATs and
They take a
yeah.
little longer to get geared up. And they're over there now.
Well, hopefully they get there soon.
We'll at the end of the show, we'll go back and check
check
if
in on
anything
it.
else developed. You agree?
Yeah.
You agree to that, Will?
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.
Hostage situation at an Apple store. Wow.
I don't know if I should bring it up now or down in terms of stories.
What do you mean by
Because
that?
it's been, this is like an awful situation.
Well, it's an awful
I make
situation,
it
but
more
it
awful?
could turn out. It can go either way at this point.